Here's how to fix age restrictions on TikTok. Now, if you're on TikTok and you find a video that says it's restricted due to your age, I'm going to walk you through some steps on why that may be and how to get it fixed. So it might look something like this. It says video unavailable. The content is age restricted. Now, you might want to basically watch this video, but there are some limitations on why you may or may not be able to watch this video and view it. So let's hop out of here and open up a web page. I'm going to show you those. So it says on TikTok, you can't view age protected content if you're under the age of 18. Now, keep in mind, depending on your age and the age that you signed up with when you signed up for a TikTok account, you might be limited in terms of this restricted content. And you might think to yourself, well, I could just change my age on there. I could go in the app and change my age. However, in a hearing, the basically head of TikTok says that they determine users' ages just by the videos they post. We have developed some tools where we look at their public profile to go through videos basically to get an idea through their AI to get a sense of your age. So if you are under 18, then unfortunately just those videos are not for you. However, if you are over 18, but it's still showing that those videos are restricted, you can always appeal that. So what we're gonna do is hop into TikTok, tap on profile at the bottom right, and the three lines at the top right. Now let's hit on settings and privacy. And what we'll do is scroll down to report a problem. Now on here, it doesn't necessarily matter what you choose, but let's hit account here and let's hit profile page. And on here, let's just hit other at the very bottom. Now it says report a problem at the very bottom. Is your problem solved? No, and I can hit need more help. Now the nice thing is that TikTok will allow you to present all of the information in here to appeal the age that's set on your TikTok account. Now on here, most likely, if you do want them to change your age, you're gonna have to upload a copy of your photo ID, your passport, something like that, basically to present on here that you are actually over the age of 18 and you should be able to view all of that restricted content. So they'll go back and forth with you. They might ask you for a copy of a photo ID or government ID, something like that. And that'll be necessary to prove that you are actually the age that you say you are. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below and I'll catch you on the next one.